How to create a drop-down list in Excel. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a drop-down list in Excel. So let's get started. Over here, I've created an example table with car names and I want all of the car models displayed in front of them. So there are numerous years that I have just input here as an example: 2020, 2019, 2021, 2023, 2022. So instead of manually typing every year, I want a drop-down list over here. So in order to get that list, what you're going to do is create a source over here in another sheet. And once you do so, what you're going to do is come back here and select the specific block. And then you're going to click on data over here. And once you click on data, you're going to search for the option that says data validation. So simply click on this. And then here within the settings sections, you're going to click on any value. And now here you're going to select list. And then over here, you're going to type down the source. In order to get the source, what you're going to do is head over to that sheet that contains your years or the data for the drop-down list. Then you're going to select a full list over here like this and then press OK. Now here you can see that there is a drop down icon appeared, and when you click on it, you can select any list from this list. Now if you want other blocks to get this list as well, you can simply, click on this over here. Just click on this plus over here and then you can drag it till the bottom. And then after that, you can see that other blocks have this list as well. And you can select it manually for each block by clicking like this. So that is basically how you can create a drop-down list in Excel. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.